Welcome back to 50 Car. They say the road is a canvas, and the 2025 Ford F300 is the brush that paints it with bold strokes of power and precision. This isn't just a truck, it's a statement, designed for those who see challenges as invitations. Let's start under the hood. A ferocious 6.8L V8 engine delivers 425 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque, ensuring this beast roars across highways and off-road trails. Its advanced 10-speed automatic transmission harmonizes performance and fuel efficiency like a maestro. Exterior design. The F300's imposing grille, sharp LED headlamps, and aerodynamic body command attention. Its sculpted lines radiate toughness, but some may find its size intimidating in urban settings. Yet, its design embodies unshakable confidence. Interior and dashboard. Step inside, and the cabin whispers luxury. Premium leather seats with cooling options, a 15-inch touchscreen with SYNC5, and wireless charging make every journey seamless. However, the dashboard's complexity may overwhelm less tech-savvy drivers. Performance. The F300 thrives in versatility. Tow up to 14,000 pounds or tackle rough terrains effortlessly with its adaptive suspension. But its massive engine may bite into fuel economy, a slight trade-off for its robust capabilities. Price and colors. Starting at $55,000, the F300 offers 8 striking color options, including carbonized gray and rapid red. Buyer profile. Ideal for adventurers aged 30 to 55 who demand both utility and elegance. Competitors. Rivals like the Chevrolet Silverado 2500 and Ram 2500 pose challenges, but lack Ford's iconic blend of reliability and innovation. Driving experience. The F300 makes every drive thrilling, whether cruising highways or conquering dirt roads. Yet, its large dimensions demand confident handling. Conclusion. The 2025 Ford F300 embodies American excellence, perfect for those who embrace the extraordinary.